Welcome you again to this episode of Physical Geography, where today I come up with different multiple choice questions. But remember that the topic I'm still talking about is a rock. Remember, we talked about different 25 multiple choice questions about rock, and today I come up with other 14 questions relating to rock. Let's start by question number 26. The rocks are classified based on A, their size and color, B, their place of origin, C, their mode of formation, D, their age. So normally rocks are classified according to their modes of formation. So therefore the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Because rocks are classified according to their modes of formation or according to how they were formed. Let's go to the question number 2. 27. A rock that is made of rounded pebbles cemented together is called A, gneiss, B, conglomerate, C, shale, D, sandstone. So a rock that is made of rounded pebbles cemented together is called a conglomerate. So therefore the correct answer is B, which is a conglomerate. So the correct answer is this C, which is a conglomerate. Let's go to the question number 28. Which of the following rock types is formed through erosion, compaction, and cementation? So they give us different examples of the types of rock, but they wanted to choose which one is formed through erosion, compaction, and cementation. A, magma. B, metamorphic rock. C, sedimentary rock. D, igneous rock. So the correct answer is C, because in the processes of sedimentary rock, we have erosion, deposition, compaction, and even cementation of those sediments in layers. So therefore the correct answer is C, which is sedimentary rock. Let's go to the question 29. The question 29 is asking which of the following is not a process involved in the formation of sedimentary rock. So it means they give us different processes that lead to they give us different processes, but they want us to choose different processes of sedimentary rock, but they want us to choose which one is not corresponding to the formation of this sedimentary rock. So we have A, deposition, B, compaction, C, cooling of magma, and D, cementation. So normally A, B, D are processes of sedimentary rock, but C, it is not a process of sedimentary rock. This C, it indicates the formation of igneous rock. So therefore, the correct answer, or a process which is not involved in the formation of sedimentary rock, is cooling of magma. So therefore, the correct answer is C, cooling of magma. Cooling of magma. Let's go to the question 20. The question starter is asking which of those is a characteristics of metamorphic rock? A, always contain fossil, which is not correct. Those which contain fossil are sedimentary rock. Formed from cooled lava, wrong. It means that is for igneous rock. Formed from pre-existing rock under heat and pressure, correct. Made up of magma, wrong. So therefore the correct answer is C, because those metamorphic rock are formed from the pre-existing rock, or when either sedimentary rock or igneous rock is exposed to heat and pressure, this can lead to the formation of metamorphic rock. So therefore the correct answer is C, because they are formed from pre-existing rocks under heat and pressure. Let's go to the question 31. Which type of rocks, which type of igneous rock is quartz? granite, and forms underground? A. Basalt. B. Granite. C. Obsidian. D. Pumice. So the correct answer is B, which is granite. Granite. Let's go to the question 32. The question 32 is asking, what is a key identifying feature of sedimentary rock? A. Foliation. B. Layers of strata. C. Crystal shape. D. Grass texture. So the correct answer is layer, because sedimentary rock are stratified, or they have layers, or they are stratified. Then let's go to the question number 33. Chalk is often used in a classroom. Is an example of A. Extrusive rock. B. Igneous rock. C. Organic sedimentary rock. D. Metamorphic rock. So normally chalks that we use in a classroom, it's an organic sedimentary. It's an organic sedimentary rocks. So therefore the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Let's go to the question 34. Question 34. The rocks can be changed from one type to another in a continuous process called A. Soil cycle. B. Rock cycle. C. Earth cycle. D. Water cycle. So normally, when a rock is changing from one type to another type of rock, as we said previously, such processes is called a rock cycle. So therefore, the correct answer is B, which is a rock cycle. The correct answer is this one, which is called a rock cycle. Let's go to the question number 35. Which type of rock formed from volcanic eruption? A. Metamorphic rock. B. Sedimentary rock. C. Igneous rock. D. Fossil rock. So the correct answer is C, because the igneous rock is a type of rock that is formed from the cooling and solidification of magma, which are got from volcanic eruption. So therefore the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Let's go to the question 36. Which of the following is not a use of rock? They give us different uses of rock, but they want us to choose which one is not corresponding to the use of rock. A. Rocks are used in building materials. The fuel for cooking, like pit coal are used in cooking. Jewelry, correct. D. Making plastic. So the use which is not a use of rock is D, because rock are not used in making plastic. So the correct answer is D. Let's go to the question number 37. Which of the following rocks is commonly used to make roads and buildings? A. Pumice. B. Shale. C. Basalt. D. Chalk. The correct answer is C, because this C, it is used in making, basalts are used in building of roads. So the correct answer is C, which is basalt. Let's go to the question number 38. The hardest natural substances found in rocks is A. Quartzite. B. Gold. C. Diamond. D. Obsidian. So the correct answer is C, because diamond, it is the hardest one. It is the hardest one. It is the hardest natural substances that are found in the rock. Then let's go to the question number 39. Which of the following is not a correct rock type and formation match. They give us different types of rock and even different examples they want to relate, to match. So they want us to choose which one is matching with its type correctly, which example is matching to its type correctly. A, granite, it is an example of igneous rock, correct? Limestone, it is an example of metamorphic rock, which is not correct. Limestone rock is an example of sedimentary rock. Sandstone, example of sedimentary rock, correct. Slate, examples of metamorphic rock, correct. So therefore the correct answer is B, because limestone, they want us which one is not corresponding to the correct type. So the correct one is this one, B, because limestone, it is not an example of metamorphic rock, but an example of sedimentary rock. Let's go to the question number 40. The small particles produced from weathered rocks are called, the small particles produced from weathered rocks are called A, minerals, B, sediment, C, lava, D, fossil. The correct answer is B, because sediments are weathered rock particles which are transported and deposited somewhere. So therefore the correct answer is B. Thank you very much for watching this video.